Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com, and today we're going to take a look at a Novo Bank review. So Novo Bank is a neobank or online bank that has carved out its own kind of niche or place in the market to cater to small businesses, entrepreneurs, digital nomads, people who are working online, creating a side hustle and things of that nature. Novo used to be compared a lot to Aslo Bank as far as the features went, but actually Aslo used to be considered a little bit better up until recently, where Novo kind of updated their features, and as well as that, Aslo actually went out of business. So if you were previously with Aslo and you want to find a bank that has just as good of features as they did, then Novo might be the next logical choice for you. So Novo was established in 2016 and is considered, as I said, a neobank. And the way you should think about that is it's really a front-end bank with a real bank operating on the back end. In Novo's case, it's partnered with Middlesex Savings Bank, which has been around for 135 years and offers those assurances such as FDIC insurance of up to $250,000 to any customers using their banks. So if you are with Novo, then you are also privy to that. So when you open an account with Novo, which is very simple, basically what you get is a business account plus debit card. And probably the highlight feature of Novo is that there are absolutely no transaction fees. The only fees you'll ever pay with Novo is if you don't really take care of your account. There are two charges, one for insufficient fees and one for uncollected funds returned, and both of these charges are $27. Also note that with no transaction fees, there is also no interest with your Novo business account. Now, that's probably not too much big of a deal because, well, standard interest rates run from really about 0.2 to a 0.5% API every year. With the way inflation is looking, you're not really missing out on too much. Now, as I said, there are no fees with a Novo card, and that also means zero ATM fees no matter where you draw out the money. Now, there is a caveat to that. It isn't exactly you use your card and there are no fees. You are still charged, but what happens at the end of every month is that those transaction fees are then given back to you right back into your Novo account. As far as the interface goes, you can use it on your mobile phone or web browser. It is slick, it's intuitive, I found it easy to use and free of any bugs. It's very easy to deposit, transfer money, track your balances, and everything else you would expect in your standard banking app. Another great feature is that Novo also integrates really well with added perks with a bunch of other services that are common for entrepreneurs and people working online use, such as Stripe, TransferWise, QuickBooks, Slack, Shopify, Wise, and Xero. For those of you who take payments using Stripe, you can integrate Stripe directly into your Novo account, and they're currently working on making transfers between Stripe and your Novo account instantaneous, so you can get access to your funds as you make those sales. Stripe also gives you $20,000 free in credit card processing. Now, with a lot of these integrations, as I said, there are also lots of perks such as discounts, free credits, extended trial versions to use their services. So I'd recommend going to their site, checking out which services you use and taking full advantage of those. Now, for those of you who like to use sub-accounts in order to separate your money, Novo offers a feature called a Novo Reserve that allows you to have a separate bank account. Maybe you can use it for savings, for taxes, or whatnot. And in the near future, they do plan to add extra Novo Reserves so you can have multiple sub-accounts. There's also a really cool new invoicing feature that works similar to PayPal that allows you to invoice your clients directly, and they can use that invoice in order to pay, and charges are processed through debit, credit card, Stripe, and Square. So there aren't really any downsides that I could note with Novo. It's a pretty decent bank that a lot of people like to use. Obviously, it's not a physical bank, so this is really a downside. Now, a workaround to this is you just have your normal bank account, and maybe you can have just a forwarding mechanism or something set up where money is transferred directly from your normal bank into your Novo Bank. The trade-off to not being a normal bank is actually all these extra features you get, like no fees, and all this extra functionality that you can get with Novo Bank. So to wrap up, I feel like Novo is definitely going to satisfy any small business owners, people running a side hustle, or entrepreneurs out there. It's an intuitive business account with debit card, with zero fees, zero ATM fees, as well as some really great integrations with perks that enable you to benefit all across, a bunch of different platforms that you probably maybe already use. So if you want to check out Novo on your own, it sounds good to you, click the link in the description, and I keep that link updated with any specials that are being offered regularly. So whether they're giving you cash upon sign up or anything like that, I do keep that updated. So do check it out and go through that link if you do want to check out Novo. Those specials and whatnot will be locked in after you click it. Apart from that, like, subscribe if you got any value from this, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.